Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Harman Singh Sachdeva and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the purpose of my YouTube channel and why I created it. It was the month of March. I was preparing for my last business studies examination when the lockdown was announced. After doing the same subject over and over again in the lockdown, I got bored and started looking for something else to do. Last year, I had participated in a lot of inter-school mock stock events and had developed a keen interest in the stock markets and was intrigued by the world of finance. After celebrating my 18th birthday in 2019, I applied for a PAN card, opened up a bank account with a Demat account and started trading equities with my pocket money. So lockdown seemed like a perfect opportunity to start trading again. After seeing my keen interest in the stock market, my dad gave me some capital and guided me to invest in the stock market. I had to follow two things. Number one, I would focus more on investing instead of trading. And number two, I had to carry out my own research before investing in a particular stock. I got very excited and started studying new companies and came across a lot of new terms such as enterprise value, DuPont's analysis, equity multiplier, Dow theory. It all sounded like Greek to me. I got very confused. The deeper I dig, the more confused I got. It seemed like a never-ending financial conundrum. I didn't want to take a decision in a hurry and regret it later because I believe in the saying, better late than sorry. So I read a lot of books related to finance, listened to numerous videos on YouTube, but I also wanted to put my prior knowledge to test. So I pulled out my accountancy book, started revising the accounting ratios in order to make a sense out of it and apply it in my real life analysis. So ladies and gentlemen, I concluded that these ratios were very important in order to find financially sound companies. Ladies and gentlemen, I am not an expert. I am just a tyro in this vast sea of stock market analysis. Through my videos, I want to share the experiences of a new investor and the problems faced to decide whether to buy a share or not to buy at a given price. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a mock stock situation where you can reset or refresh your portfolio at any given time without any real losses. This is real life where you either lose or earn real hard-earned money. So we have to be vigilant and we have to be very careful. In this channel, we're going to talk about two different styles of investing: value investing and growth investing. Value investing is a concept beautifully explained by Benjamin Graham in his book, The Intelligent Investor, where he says that price is what you pay, value is what you get. He says that when you buy a share, you're not just buying a piece of paper or a ticker in your portfolio. You're buying a part of that company, and that company has an underlying value. To find the intrinsic value of the company and to buy it at a discounted price is the main aim of a value investor. Because the value investor believes that in the future and ultimately the price of a company will chase the value of the company. The second type of investing is growth investing. Growth investors focus more on the potential of a company to grow in terms of sales and profits. Now, ladies and gentlemen, growth investing will justify why companies that are trading at super high valuations and that demand super high premiums are still preferred by investors in India. Ladies and gentlemen, I promise to cover all of these topics in detail. For now, I say thank you for listening to me and I hope you enjoy this channel. Thank you.